Creatives, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If today is your first time of stopping by, you are welcomed. To my old and new subscribers, thank you so much for watching my videos. I'm so sorry I've been away for some time now, but thank God I am finally back to creating tutorials for you. In today's tutorial, we'll be learning how to make this very beautiful ruffle cuff. This beautiful ruffle cuff is quite easy to make. You can actually make it for a baby girl like you see in the video, or you can make it for an adult. It's a very beautiful accessory. If this is something you're interested in, keep on watching. To make a ruffle cuff, we need just two materials. We need the 2.5-inch velvet weaving, right? The measurement we need for the ruffle cuff is just the round wrist measurement, right? So whatsoever the round wrist measurement of the person you're working on, take the round wrist measurement. Is the round wrist measurement you use to cut the length of the velvet weaving. Whatsoever the round wrist measurement is, you multiply it by 4, right? So that you have excess. After putting the ruffles at the center, you have excess to tie and make a bow. So the measurement for the two is 62 inches by 6 inches, right? So you can use whatsoever measurements. You can decide to use 80, 90, 100, depending on how full you want your ruffles to be, right? So you can decide to use that, or if you can also do less if you don't want it to be full. For the width of the ruffle, you can decide to do 4, 7, 8, right? Depending on your preference. So the next thing we are going to do is to go over to the sewing machine and make a loose stitch at the center. One loose stitch, right? A loose stitch at the center to the end. To make a loose stitch, your stitch length has to be at the end, right? And your tension should be at 0, right? That's when, like, you want to make a loose stitch. That's, you want to draw gathers, right? So I said we are going to make the loose stitch at the center, right? So make sure your threads are long, right? Then you start stitching. At the beginning, don't lock your stitch, just sew straight. At the end too, you don't lock your stitch, right? Just take this up and draw the thread. Make sure you have enough thread so that you can pull it, right? I'll cut off the thread. The next thing I'm going to do right now is to take the back thread. The thread at the back is what I'm going to pick. This one at the back, I've picked it. So I'm just going to pull it, right? I'll pull it to the round wrist measurement I'm working with, right? So whatsoever the round wrist measurement is, that is what you pull it to. I'll measure it. So what I have here now is 6 inches, right? The next thing I'm going to do is to take my machine setting back to my normal setting. So whatsoever your normal stitch setting is, you take it back, right? This time I'm going to lock my stitch. So you lock your stitch when you want to keep it in place. You still sew at that center, right? At the end, I'll still lock my stitch there, cut off my threads. The next thing I'm going to do is to get my velvet ribbon. Your velvet ribbon, when you cut it, remember to use lighter fire to burn this edge so that it doesn't fray. I've already burnt this one. So I'll get the middle of this ribbon. I'll mark the center this way. I'll just mark it. Then I'll also get the middle of this. Just get the middle, right? The center. I'll mark it too. So what I'm going to do is to place this ribbon, this center of this ribbon here, right? Is to place it here. It's going to be at the center. The ribbon is going to cover the stitch, right? So just place the center there and pin to keep it in place. The next thing you're going to do is to start stitching. So you stitch this end very close. So before you stitch, always lock your stitch from the beginning, right? Lock it, then you stitch. Take out the pin. At the end, I'm going to lock my stitch and cut off the thread. I'll do same for this other side. So our ruffle cuff is ready. This is basically how to make a ruffle cuff. You just put it at the wrists this way, make a knot and make a bow, right? See how cute it is. Look it. All right, that would be all for today's tutorial. If you found this tutorial useful, please give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment. Also, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload new videos. If you would like to know how I made this very beautiful outfit, that is the flower bouquet skirt with a cute matching top, I'll be uploading details about it in my next video. Please ensure to watch my next video. Alright, that will be all. See you in my next video. Bye for now.